Fun Bites. Today we're gonna make little cookies for Lola called My Little Pumpkin.
Let's get started. Here's what we'll need. 1½ cups of flour, 1/4 teaspoon each of cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of applesauce, 1/2 cup of pumpkin, and a little water in case it's too thick. Once everything is mixed well, you place it on a cookie sheet, spread it out. We place it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15-20 minutes. Now it's time to make the bite-sized pieces with FunBites. Here we go. Rock the FunBites back and forth. And then pop out the bite-sized pieces. I hope you guys enjoyed creating fun treats for Lola with me. FunBites is always creating bite-sized fun.